Probably one of the most common, simple, and beautiful rhythms in Africa, apart from Yam Ponsa and Kwao, is Dagomba. And it is used widely, especially in Ghana, by high life musicians and even gospel musicians. It's so simple, only 4 steps. One guitarist can play, 2 guitarists can play. In case you don't see my fingers, as I play them on this guitar, you can just follow the notes as I represent them on the neck diagram. That's so easy, especially if you understand it. The fingering is the most important thing. This is P-I-M-A-S, P-Max, or P-I-M-A-C, P-Mac. It depends on who is playing this rhythm. In palm 1 guitar music, many a times we use P and I. Yes, but you can always learn the rules and violate them later once you advance this. But the easiest way to play this kind of Dagomba that I'm teaching you is to start with P-I-M. So the chords are similar, the shapes are similar. Look, have the 3rd finger on the 4th string, that is the D string, D, in the 2nd fret position. I have the 2nd finger on the 3rd string on G sharp. Then the 2nd finger, the pinky, on the 2nd string at C sharp. 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. That's all. And you only have to move everything 1 up. So everything goes up for the next chord. That becomes a B dominant 7th chord. Everything moves 1. And for the first one is this. Everything moves 1. And then only the 3rd moves. Then you resolve back to the first shape without the pinky. So you can try it with this movement before learning the specific fingering I'm going to give you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the first one, which is C sharp minor or E6, I play 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. The next one I play with 1 P and I. That is 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3 on B7. 5, 2, 3. Then only the 3rd moves, and I play 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. Then the last one, the last chord, which is similar to the first one, but without a pinky, I play 6, and I put all the fingers together and play. I'm only teaching you the first one now, but I'll be coming again to teach you how to do the second part, the second chords, and some beautiful guitar improvisation on this. I'm Spratz or Spratz. I give lessons here almost every week. In case you haven't subscribed to my lessons on my channel, hey, you are missing a lot. This is a golden opportunity for you. Hey, are you looking for a one-on-one guitar lesson with a pro? Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. I give lessons to beginners, to intermediates, and to even advanced students. Hey, don't forget to leave your comment. And please, the best thing you can do to promote our channel is to share with others. Bless someone with this beautiful rhythm. This is a beautiful rhythm to try all your scales, your arpeggios, your licks, all your jazz stuff you've learned. You know, it's so beautiful a rhythm. If you are very creative, you can create beautiful and wonderful lyrics on this rhythm.